Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't certified or the information isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in outlook. On account of the approach of blockchain that a large number understood the innate capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be tackled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz's remarkable stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost forecast, let us check out a portion of the one-of-a-kind elements of Chiliz. Chiliz specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost acceleration to $0. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is associated to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. Notwithstanding, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WALC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected colossal development, denoting another record-breaking high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight rectification. However, later, it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted a huge meeting and contacted 75 cents in April, yet later, it rectified to the 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark, yet later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it denoted a huge recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative strain. Nonetheless, in the wake of hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and at present, it exchanges around 11 cents. We demand you do your own exploration proposing projected most extreme cost, hypothesized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. Yearly Chiliz value expectation 2023 to 2030. CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of dependability implanted in this cash. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Beating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized examination in Chiliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was 11 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $33,003,656 and the market cap of Chiliz was $797,893,114 with a coursing supply of 6,718,673,450 CHZ. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 11 cents. Also, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024. CHZ expectation for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents individually. The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in view of our Chiliz crypto cost expectation. Chiliz value forecast 2025. As per CHZ cost forecast 2025, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to quit slacking with other digital currencies to plainly show up at any rate cost of 29 cents and a most extreme cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning hopefulness anticipated for the CHZ cost, predominantly because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026. Violating all limits north of 2026 would clearly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz expectation, supported by powerful savvy gets, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents, separately. Chiliz forecast 2027. The street ahead is brimming with petals according to the CHZ cost gauge. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value forecast 2028. In 2028, the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz conjecture 2029. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may handily cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents, as indicated by our CHZ coin cost forecast 2029. Chiliz value forecast 2030 in view of our CHZ cost expectation 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a possible low of 73 cents and a likely high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be exceptionally unpredictable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to cost expectation discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical estimate cost of 17 cents. As per Chiliz coin cost expectation, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 49 cents in the following 1 year. By 2028 and the normal most extreme cost might be around $2.38. According to the Chiliz conjecture information examination, the cost of CHZ is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over 2024, Chiliz is supposed to have a base cost of 25 cents. Likewise, the CHZ cost is equipped for getting a most extreme degree of 31 cents. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in view of wallet financial backer Chiliz gauge. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is 1 cent. CHZ can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice as your ongoing speculation might be cheapened from now on. About Chiliz showing up on the biggest blockchain scene. Chiliz was authoritatively sent off in 2019, despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016 currently in the name and style of socios.com. Any game or a sports on the planet can adapt fan interest. Chiliz is a trailblazer in enacting and adapting a crowd of people through extreme